Alip is one of my. He encouraged me. He encouraged me uh, to do this kind of thing, and he he helped me find more of myself.
Hey, let's go. I seriously need to learn guitar, man. The way he plays it so easily. Like, you can basically play every sound with guitar. Bro, and I shouldn't be pausing a lot because this is a 6-minute video. It's a very long one. We got a long way to go. Get your popcorn if you have to. Let's go.
The harmony is so good, actually.
No, that move that he does. Oh. Mama. Feel the man. I want to do. Mama. I just killed a man. I want to do.
Man, this dude, this this is incredible. Oh man. Wow.
It's so good.
Brother. Hey, Indonesia, y'all have a real one on your hands, man. Like, fam, see how, like, down to earth.
You know what, guys? The sound of the guitar is really expressive. You feel sorrow, you feel the want to comfort, and he's that good that it really wants me to cry out with my emotion. Alip is one of my. He encouraged me. He encouraged me to do this kind of thing, and he helped me find more of myself. Really, if you gone through my reaction, I have so many reaction from his video, and you can see out there, he really get my emotion out of the sound of his guitar.
See that zoom? How does he play? Wait. Nah, let me catch that. See, we got this, yo. We got this. Y'all wait, we got this. Woo! I caught him in motion. He was going for it. He was going for it. Wait, how do we do this? Alright. Am I even holding it right? He did. Nah, not that, not that. Nah, he did it with this one. Wait, what? What? Oh, nah, he played it. Isn't it the sound you're meant to use to play? And this holds it. But he's used. Nah, you're confusing me, brother. Wait, hold on. He said, no. Mine sounds different. The flip. I need to bin this thing after this video. Imagine being his child, fam, like being his children. Like evening nights when the whole family gathers around, bonfire night, any night, and he's just there, just killing you with tunes, and you're just like, ah, papa, papa, yo. Aye, Indonesia, y'all got a raw one, man. Y'all hold him tight, cause this guy deserves it all, man. He deserves it all. Like, such a look. Bro, look at this. Just in his element, just doing the music, nothing else. Oh.
That was insane. Insane. And he's just so chill and so calm, man. Y'all said he's a forklift driver? Me too. But I can't do that.